Magandang umaga, Dwantro Fam. Tingnan nyo, umuulan na sa labas. Gusto ko talaga ang ulan actually. Like, gusto ko siya. If it would rain at least once a week, I'd be super happy. Masarap maglaro sa ulan. Super. Hey, baby Nitro. Hey. Hello. Are you excited for your swab test? Siyempre hindi, no? Masakit kaya yun. Masakit yun. Ano? You like your toys, ha? Daming nagbigay sa'yo ng mga regalo. Ano? Daming iba't ibang kulay na, no? Yes. Oh, go get it. Go get it. You got it. Yay! You got it, baby. Such a cute baby, no? Such a cute baby. Yes, you are. You're a cute baby.
You're beautiful. You shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isang Dwantro Vlog starring Pabibo at ang dalawang ito. Ayan, si Pabebe at Pambibe. Nasa labas sila ngayon. Kumakain si Bebe Nitro. Yes, kumakain. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po ang buhok ko. Sobrang magulo ngayon. Quarantine life kasi. Pero good news is we only have 4 days na lang. 4 days na lang dito and then malaya na kami. We can go to Brisbane. Oh. So if you've watched our latest vlog, you'll know that grabe sobrang daming nagbigay sa amin ng mga regalo, ganun. So ngayon, we are just chillin' hanggang aalis na kami. So ayan, may dadating dito na magsuswab test sa amin. Okay, pati si Baby Nitro, isa-swab test din nila. Yes, you're gonna get swab tested, aren't you? Yes, kawawa naman ng baby na to. Last swab test and we can go. Yeah, isa na lang. I just want to say thank you once again sa lahat ng Filipino dito sa Cairns, Australia na nagpadala sa amin ng mga regalo. Yeah, wow, we're super overwhelmed and very thankful to you guys. If anyone else is out there na gustong magpadala sa amin ng regalo, wag po muna. Sorry po, I really appreciate the thought and the effort, pero wala na kaming space sa maleta namin. Wala na. So, anything that is sent to us, hindi namin kayang dalhin sa Brisbane. Kasi hindi kami magstay dito sa Cairns, lilipat kami papuntang Brisbane. So, isa pang flight. Isang flight na lang, tapos nasa tahanan na kami. Ayun. So yeah, once again, thank you to all the Filipinos that gave us gifts for Baby Nitro. We really appreciate it. We got some awesome, very useful stuff, you know, that we can give to Nitro and Nitro can play with. We can use for Nitro to clean him up and things like that. So thank you so much. Salamat din sa mga sumali sa Phil Talk. Website namin yan, ha? Ayun, tingnan nyo. Yes, daming nagpo-post na sa Phil Talk. Ano po siya eh, parang social media for the Philippines. So, ginagawa naming app na Phil Talk coming very soon. Next year, early next year, may Phil Talk app na tayo. Pwede kayong mag-download nun. Sa ngayon, website pa lang siya. Ayan, may nagpa-post, may uma-aura sa mga picture. O, diba? Ayan, pogi. So make an account, guys, on philtalk.net. It's a social network for the Philippines, connecting Philippines to foreigners, helping foreigners learn Filipino languages like Tagalog, Bisaya, and meron din dating kung gusto niyong ligawan ang Filipino or foreigner or kahit ano, you can do that on Phil Talk. That's coming very, very soon as well. Very early next year, January, maybe February, meron na.
Tapos na po ako nag-swab, si Nitro din, kaming dalawa na una. Si Dwaine kasi nasa shower. Umiyak na naman ako. May nag-comment na nurse sa video ko, si C something and then RN. Sabi niya wala palang solution yung pinapasok sa ilong. I thought may solution yun, so mali ako. Walang solution. So mas na-feel ko lang yung dito, yung ganun. Pero I'm so happy kasi tapos na. Yeheey! You're done, Nitro! Good boy. Good boy, baby. Good boy. Galing-galing ng baby. Makulit na baby. Ayos you all. tatanungin ni Dwaine kung pwedeng mag-take ng video. Kasi ako, hindi ako nakapag-video kasi. Pwede ba? Pwede?
Alright, I'm just gonna go into this nostrils. 1, 2, 3, and 1.
Oh, alright.
So, did you get a result last time? Did you get a text message on your mobile?
We didn't know because my...
Bebe! Tapos na si Daddy! Tapos na si Daddy! Si Daddy, no? Si Daddy. Who's that, baby? Who's that, baby boo? Yeah, Dwaine, oh.
Oh wow, that was like swab. Oh man, so deep, no, and it's like, I can feel it like in the back of my throat as well. They put it in my nose and then parang naramdaman ko dito. Tapos na. Makes your eyes water, eh? Oh, tapos na, didn't see Nitro? You weren't able to film him though, eh?
No, kasi gusto ko na matapos kagad.
Oh, ganun. How was it, baby Nitro? How was the swab test, ha? Masakit ano? Mahapdi. Yes, so masakit. Umiyak ka, no? Yeah. Anong tinitingnan mo dyan? May tingin ka sa labas, no? Alright guys, so maraming salamat sa panunood sa video na to. Before we go, syempre shoutout muna natin yung mga Golden Dwantro Fam natin. Okay, baby Nitro, sino ba yung mga Golden Dwantro Fam natin, ha? Sino ba? Ayan, ito sila. Alright, so shout out to Anna Leslie Channel, the Ramsey family, Mary J. Lee, Angel Mags, oh, anyari, ayun. DXMT, Paul T. We have Shane Ransborg. Oh, where are you going, baby? Haley and Ashley sisters, Girly Pesigan, Kiko Arps, Cheetah Almira, Xavier's Family Vlogs, Da Ramis. We have Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Tai Chi's Adventures, Nati Von Thien, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Thank you so much, guys. And ito po ang mga certified Dwantro Fam natin on the screen right now. Yes, they are. Silang lahat yan. Ayun, no?
Yes, they
Wait,
are.
What you looking at, huh? Alright, Natro's gonna go to sleep very soon because you're a sleepy baby. Hey, yes you are. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching our video today. At kita-kits po sa sunod na video ng Dwantro Fam. Yes, baby, you say bye-bye to the camera na. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye, baby. Oh, yeah, you want to touch the camera? Oh, you got it. You got it. You got the camera. Oh, you got it.
Everything to me, if you let me love you.